Alright, this is my setup. Hopefully y'all can see that. I'm running 35 pin, 35 spur, 3.3, 100 millimeter, 2400, 11.1. It say I should do 94 miles per hour. And I'm gonna put my data log up after this because I'm running 4S, but I got it 11.1 for voltage sag. This is not a full battery, so the voltage might sag way lower than that. So let's see if I can get a pass in out here real quick. See that it's on the car. Track, start it, get up here and stand up. It's been quiet out here since while I was setting up, but let's see now that I'm ready to run if it's gonna be, if I'll be able to get a pass in. I got one car coming. Oh shit, say signal loss already. Let me unplug this one. Plug this one up. Plug up this other battery. Got a stronger battery. Now this one should be better. Yeah, that's a lot better. Range extender wasn't working on that battery. Turn the car around. I don't need the whole block, so I think this car turned it, so let me get out the way. I'm gonna turn around again after this car go by. I'm gonna go further down, just a little bit more. Get in the middle, try to get in the middle. I think I'm in the middle. Alright, this car go by, I'm gonna take off. Alright, I look clear. Here I come. Car back. Okay, I got an okay pass in. So let's see what it did. Okay. Stop. Read. 104. It did 104. Well, we're gonna check the data log and see, what happens. We're gonna see what the voltage sag down to, and then we'll see what speed it say I should have got. So I'm gonna take it to the house and check the data log, and we'll go from there. All right, let's hook up this data log. Let's see what's going on. Plug it up. Score. See what's going on this data log. Download log. It's my first time looking at it since the run. It's like 5 a.m. in the morning. And then I'm gonna put the numbers on this phone because this is my setup. What I say I should have got 94, but I'm gonna go looking at the voltage sag. I'm gonna put the voltage sag numbers in there because I got it at 11.1, and we'll see what it say, what the mouse say I should have did. Okay, make it big. Zoom in over here on the run. That's the run right there. Blam. Now we're gonna look here at my minimum voltage. Battery wasn't full, so it's already at 15.9. My minimum voltage is 9.7. Over here, we'll see where it drops at. Start dropping around here. Went up a little bit, dropped way down. Drop way down to this area. That's at 10.1, and it continued to drop. That's the voltage sag, which dropped all the way down to 9.7. So let's see here. This is what I was running. So now we're going to change this down to 0.7. Now it says I'm supposed to have 82 miles per hour. All the setup is the same. 35, 35. So at a 9.7 voltage drop, it says I'm supposed to do 82 miles per hour. Then I did 104. Then that's why I use 11.1. I changed that. And it still said I did 94. I'm supposed to do around 94. So this is my data log to the run. The run I actually did 104. I want to see all the numbers. I'll show you all the numbers. Down here. Current only pulled 393 watts. Temperature, RPMs, throttle. Say I got to 100%, which I did. I got to 100% for a little while. I was on 100% for a second. Even with 35, 35, my current was only 393.1 amps. That's all I pulled. Battery was not full. Voltage sag dropped to 9.7. I don't know why my voltage sags dropped so low, but it don't usually drop this low, but it's dropping real low. I know people gonna say I got bad batteries, or you know, they wasn't warm. I didn't warm them, so they're just in there. But all my batteries do that. So just to show y'all that it is my G14 Limitless. Wires connected from down here to my G14 Limitless. So, still not 100% convinced that what I got in here is working, but I think it's working, but I'm not 100% convinced. So I'm gonna keep testing, till I know for sure that it, is really working. I'll thank everybody for watching. I'm out. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video.